Tekmetric versus Shopmonkey. Which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Hey, I'm Hunter with CSI Accounting. We provide accounting, tax, and payroll service to auto repair shops. So we see firsthand how the software a shop uses can affect the numbers the owner ultimately relies on. Tekmetric and Shopmonkey can both handle most of the things you expect from shop management software. Things like estimates, invoices, inspections, parts, customer communication, payments, and reporting. And if you search through this comparison online, you'll find that both companies have pages explaining why their software is better. Those pages can be useful, but neither one is exactly an independent comparison. So we reviewed their current pricing pages and support information to focus on the differences that could actually affect your decision today. Both companies offer three main plans. Tekmetric has Start, Grow, and Scale. Shopmonkey has Basic, Clever, and Genius. They also have options for larger shops in multiple locations, but for most independent shops, these are the plans you'll be comparing. At the time we're recording, Tekmetric's month-to-month prices are $199, $349, and $439. Shopmonkey's are $239, $399, and $499. So Tekmetric is currently $40 to $60 less per month at each level. But the bigger pricing difference may be the number of users you get. Tekmetric includes unlimited users with every plan. Shopmonkey includes 3 users with Basic, 4 with Clever, 5 with Genius, and each user costs another $20 per month. So if several people in your shop need their own login, Tekmetric's pricing advantage gets even stronger. But that doesn't automatically make it better value because the plans are built differently. The biggest difference is what each entry-level plan includes. Tekmetric Start includes inventory and vendor management and purchase orders along with unlimited users. However, Shopmonkey Basic includes 3 users, and inventory and management and purchase orders aren't included until Clever. On the other hand, Shopmonkey Basic includes unlimited two-way messaging, automated appointment reminders, and integrated payments. Tekmetric offers those capabilities as well, but they aren't included with Start. Unlimited two-way texting begins with Scale, while automated reminders and payment processing are offered separately. And as you move into the higher plans, those features are packaged differently. Tekmetric Grow adds time and job clocks, along with additional reporting. Scale adds unlimited two-way texting and more advanced tools for monitoring shop and employee performance. Shopmonkey Clever includes inventory management, purchase orders, time tracking, and QuickBooks Online. Tekmetric packages those features differently. Inventory management is already included with Start, time tracking begins with Grow, and the QuickBooks connection is a separate add-on. The QuickBooks connection works differently too. If you use QuickBooks Online, Shopmonkey includes a direct integration with Clever and Genius. Depending on what information you need to sync, you may also need a higher QuickBooks Online plan, so that's something to confirm during the demo. If you use QuickBooks Desktop, Shopmonkey connects through a separate paid service called the Back Office. Tekmetric uses the Back Office for both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop, so the connector costs extra regardless of which version you use. So for a shop using QuickBooks Online, Shopmonkey bundles the connection into its higher plans. Tekmetric treats it as a separate add-on. That can affect your total cost and who you contact when the connection isn't working. But either way, an integration only moves the information. Sales, payments, processing fees, and parts purchases still have to reach the correct accounts, and the books still need to be reconciled. So just remember, your software doesn't replace your actual accounting. Now, if all those plan names and add-ons are starting to sound confusing, here's the simple version. Tekmetric Start may make more sense if several people need their own login and you want inventory management at the entry level. If time tracking is important, Tekmetric Grow may be the better price option. Just remember that the QuickBooks connection costs extra, and unlimited two-way texting requires Scale. Shopmonkey Basic may make more sense if 3 users are enough, and your main priorities are customer communication, appointment reminders, and integrated payments. But if you also need inventory, time tracking, custom workflows, or QuickBooks Online, you probably need Clever. So the realistic comparison may be Tekmetric Start at $199 or Grow at $349 against Shopmonkey Clever at $399. Overall, Tekmetric has the advantage in advertised base price, unlimited users, and entry-level inventory management. Shopmonkey includes more customer-facing tools in its entry plan and bundles QuickBooks Online into its higher plans. Now, of course, neither one is clearly better for every shop. Before choosing either platform, take the demo. But don't just ask them to run through the list of features. Give each company the same realistic repair order, and ask them to show you the entire process, from scheduling the appointment to closing the repair order. Then ask them to show you exactly what gets sent to QuickBooks. You should also ask for the complete monthly price based on the number of users you need, any required accounting payment, marketing, or multi-location add-ons, and the payment processing rates you'll actually be experiencing. And if you're switching from another system, ask what historical information can be transferred and what you'll have to rebuild manually. That'll tell you much more than a checklist on a pricing page. We'll link both demo options in the description below. Whatever platform you choose, the activity inside it still has to be turned into accurate financial records. CSI doesn't sell or implement either platform. We work with auto repair shops in the accounting and payroll side, helping owners understand how the activity happening inside the shop connects to their actual profit, cash flow, and financial results. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more auto repair and small business videos. You can also use the pricing calculator below to get an instant estimate for accounting and payroll services. Or, if you're ready to talk through what your shop needs, schedule a consultation with our team. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.